Let's check out this new Foodsaver model VS3197. I got this one from Costco. It was $119 plus GST, and this one was very good price. I went to the Costco the other day. I saw they sell for $167 plus GST. So I think when I got it, it was so good price. Let's have a look inside the box. They have the sealer. They wrap it nice and look shiny. Also, they have one row of bags and a few bags here. Kind of like a small for the handheld bags. So this one for just pantry or just in the fridge, and they have the instruction. And let's open this one up. To open, you turn latch to open position, and then you can open. And this one just for kind of like a hold all the liquid. So one row bag we're gonna put in the sealer here. So I think I put in the right side. I'm not sure. If someone know, correct me. So I will seal the bag here. To operate, just turn latch to operate. Right there. And then you place the seal button. So when the sealing is complete, the seal indicator light will turn off. And when it turns off, then you just turn the latch to the open again. So this bag is sealed nice and tight. And then you reopen the lid and pull the bag material forward. Measure enough raw material for the item you intend to vacuum seal. Close the lid and slide the bag cutter across the detached bag. First, turn the latch to open position and open lid. Press item in bag, allowing at least 3 inches of space between contents and open end of bag. Press open end of bag into vacuum channel or drip tray and close lid. Then turn latch to operate position. Then place vacuum button to begin vacuum and sealing process of open end of bag. Motor will continue to run until bag is fully vacuumed. Then will automatically seal. And when seal indicator light turn off, turn latch to open position and open lid. Remove bag, refrigerate, freeze, or throw as needed. For handheld sealer, for zipper bags, first turn latch to operate position and pull handheld sealer from appliance. Then place built-in handheld sealer on zipper bag and place mode button until the indicator light next to the vacuum is illuminated. Then press handheld button to vacuum. So when it's completely vacuum, then it will turn off, and here it is. It's tight, and you can keep in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy my video. See you again next time. Bye bye.